Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to October Daily 2023, and today I'm sharing day 4 with you. I'm going to work with the brand new Traci Reed Designs Haunting digital collection, and we're starting with the back of the transparency from day 3. And so I'm just showing here a little bit of what we're working with. Here's the back of the transparency, and I've printed a very simple photo strip, 3 photos, and some of the patterned paper here from the Haunting collection, and I'm gonna go and trim that down to fit inside the tags that were used for day 3. And I got some comments being excited about seeing what I'm going to do on the back of the transparency. And that's what people always wonder, what do you do on the back? And I always say, do what you did on the front. You can do the exact same. Of course, it would be reversed. Or you can just fill in what is covered up and reimagine it if you want to. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just laying down the candy corn pattern paper as if it was a layout just by itself within those 3 tags. And then I'm going to adhere the photo strip right on top. I'm using foam dots because I'm going to tuck some things in and around the layout. Because remember, on day 3 we had the 3 embellishment circles forming the visual triangle, and so I'm going to repeat that here as well. And it's going to look different because different collection, different photos, different story, different day, and so I don't worry too much. In fact, this is one of the things that makes the albums, the daily album projects, go a little bit faster, because the page is basically already designed for you. And there's nothing wrong with that. The magic that you get from this page is, to me, is the transparency part of it, where you'll be able to see the day before and the day after these 2 days. And that, to me, is really cool. So I had some fun. The story for this day is about painting these little wooden houses. And I did this for the Traci Reed Designs creative team. But of course, it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. If you go on Pinterest and you look up pink ghost houses or Halloween decorated wood houses or bird houses, that's actually what they are. They're just plain little wooden bird houses that you can get at Michael's or wherever. And Alan and I sat down and painted them one day, and as we were painting them, Traci had released the Haunting digital collection to the creative team to work with, and it just seemed like the match made in heaven. And so that's the story for the day. And so now you can see how I added another little tag behind the photo and used the same little black and white twine. And I added the little witch feet in the cauldron on the other side. And then I also did the number 4 from the Haunting collection, and a little ghosty boo moving in to share the story for the day. That is the layout for day 4. I hope you really liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for leaving such lovely comments on my videos. I will see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.